Hi, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I want to address a question that we get asked all the time, which is, of course, how much does it cost to have your crawl space encapsulated? Well, it's a great question, but often people don't like the answer. The answer is that we have no clue. All right, there's too many factors going on for us to just turn around and give a quote over the phone. Anybody that does is probably not doing a good job. Some crawl spaces need drainage, some don't. We always like to recommend that you have drainage, but sometimes you may not want to pay for drainage, or it may not be needed. But that's one option. We don't know how many linear feet. We don't know how many bump outs. Is there a continuous footer that's blocking it that needs to be either cut out, or we need to add an extra sub pump to an area? We don't know what the height restrictions are. We have no idea if you need a big mold remediation. You don't. Maybe you need a smaller remediation because you only have some mold growing down there, and other ones might have wood rot. And then you have structural stabilization that might be needed. You might not have any mold under there, and your insulation may be fine, or maybe your insulation needs to be removed. Or maybe you want insulation on your walls instead of at your subfloor. There are so many different factors. There's different types of vapor barrier and everything else. There's just so many different things to take into account. It is impossible to give a real estimate. Now, I know that there's companies out there on Facebook and doing different mailing advertisings and stuff, and they're saying that they can do, any crawl space for this price. Well, we go back on a lot of those jobs, so if you want to hire somebody just based off of that because they somehow can magically tell you a price to fix all crawl spaces regardless of what's going on down there, then go ahead, use them, and then when everything is screwed up, then turn around and give us a call back. And I hate to say it like that, but we get these calls all the time. People go for these, what I would think is really like a bait and switch. They tell you it's a crawl space encapsulation. Then when you get out there, they say it's a modified encapsulation. It's a money grab. That's what it is. It's an absolute money grab. Don't throw away your money. Get multiple estimates. Give us a call some of our competitors, right? But get multiple estimates. We always give multiple options on ours, right? We'll give you a good, better, best type scenario. We can give you 6 to 8 different options if you want. We're able to work with you, but we're going to try to steer you into doing the right things in the right order so you're not wasting your money. Turn around and call a company just to turn around and do a quick remediation and put the insulation back and not fix any of the moisture sources, right? Then you're going to have your insulation fall. You're going to have mold growing back there in probably a short amount of time, and you're probably going to continue doing damage to your HVAC system if it's down there, and your indoor air quality because you didn't solve the moisture problems that are causing the actual mold growth. So that's a bit of my rant, but we get asked for pricing all the time. We give free consultations with multiple options. There's no pressure. We have no sales guy that's sitting down trying to sign you that day. There's no, if you sign now, we're going to give you 20% off. We just heard a case last week where a company, we got called because the company was basically trying to force this woman into a sale right then and there. And she was like, no, I'm going to get another estimate. And then when she got called back by the other company, they told her to take $10,000 off of her estimate. $10,000. Like, how much was the job inflated that you can mark it off $10,000? So anyways, if you want an honest company to come out and give you an estimate based on actually fixing your problems and work with you if we need to over a period of time, give us a call. That's all I really got. Thanks so much for listening to this rant. I wish that we could give you guys pricing over the phone. God, it would make our lives a lot easier. If we could just shoot that out to you and save ourselves gas, time, money, and everything else, payroll and everything else we got going on with estimators and stuff. It would be so much easier if we could just give you a per square foot price, but it's not, it's a disservice to everybody if we don't put our eyes on there and only give you an estimate based off what you really need. Thanks so much for watching HydroHero 302-321-7077. If you're in Delaware or Maryland, and if you are in South Carolina in the Charleston area, give us a call on a toll-free number, 1-888-940-HERO. That's 1-888-940-HERO. Thank you so much. See you.